Hi everyone. Okay, my Spellbinders came in. The card kit of the month, Golden Swan is what it's called. So, I thought I had it all. That's Bus. So Bus is tired. Okay, let's take it all out. Let's see what we get. I did not do any sneak peeks of this kit. So I will be seeing it with you guys. So, it's your day. That's what it's called. Oh, look, it's a swan. Oh, how pretty. Okay, you get your standard tape roll. And this is and your standard foam dots. Let me do the standards. And then your standard 10 cards, 10 envelopes. These are textured cards. Okay. Oh, and look we get sequins, gold sequins. Let me put that together like that. Gold sequins. Cute. And then this is the stamp set. Thanks a bunch. You are simply wonderful. Hello. So let me see. Let me go closer. Very nice. Oh, I like the mason jar. How cute is that? And then 2 tags. I don't know if they fell out of anything. Let me scooch you in. Let me do that. Okay. So scooch you in. 2 tags. There we go. So, I don't know if they fell out of here or not. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, let's see. Oh, I love those. Those are nice. They're like 3D. Oh, I love these. These are beautiful. And then you have, let's see. And Bus is the English Bulldog, so. And yes, they sleep with us. All 3 of them. Oh, look how cute. Oh, they're puffy stickers. I absolutely adore puffy stickers. They're my favorite. I love them. Okay, so let's see. Then you have this, which is called foil stickers. I love the foil stickers. Foil stickers. Oh, look at nice writing too. Hello, gorgeous. So special. Hooray. Always amazing. Happy birthday. Bold, brave, beautiful. Dreams come true. It's your day. XOXO. Oh, so lovely. Believe in magic. Oh, I love the writing. Yeah, whoever has really nice writing. And then you get your standard cardstock. You get a black one. The theme must be dark. Black, key lime, a gold foil. I like the gold foil. And then the gold foil, I see it has a white core. And then pink, peach, like a peach, baby pink, a white, and a blue. Or is that turquoise? Do you think it's turquoise? I think it's turquoise. Okay, that feels like the gynecologist paper. That's weird. So, I know, I'll say random stuff, but that's how come I don't have a rating on here, because that way I don't get the thumbs down. So, hey. Alright, so this is black and white. And you usually get, I don't know why I was thinking it was open. So, you're going, oh, look, you have the gold dots. These are gold dots. Hello, smile. You want me to scoot you back out or in? Talk to me, goose. Let me see. Let's see. Oh, a ballerina. Gold stripes. Bigger gold dots. I like the gold. It's not a gaudy gold either, which I like and appreciate. I don't like gaudy gold. So, white swans, big polka dots, black hearts, and then it starts over again 3 times. So, that's the paper. So, I thought it was going to be a little darker, so I'm glad it's not, because I like color. Color makes the world happy and beautiful. So, and that's the motorboat. So, yeah, I'll leave it right here. So you get 2 of each die cut, and the die cuts are great quality. They really are. They're awesome quality. So those are the. Let me scooch you in. Okay, that way you can see them a little better. The macaroons. They're not macaroons, because macaroons are coconut. Macarons are those things, which I don't like. Those things are weird tasting. So balloons, and then you have let's see, 2 butterflies. 2 of these butterflies. Happy everything. I like that, happy everything. Look at, it's like a envelope. Oh, it's supposed to be an envelope. I was thinking, is that a purse, a clutch? But no, I think it's supposed to be an envelope with wings. Kind of Harry Potter-ish, right? So, and then, oh, look at the bow. The bow is pretty. And you have more florals, which I like. The swan is very, very pretty. I never understood these things. You know, that thing that was popular in the planner world with the lady with the face? I always thought it was kind of creepy myself. I mean, I don't want to come into my office and turn on light and then see that lady staring at me. So, but she was very popular. Very, very nice. I like that. That's very nice. So, you are beautiful. Yes, you are. In every way. And then Bess is just bored with my videos because this is my third video of the night. So it's just like, can we just go to the real bed? I love that. That's cute. It's a heart one. Oh, look at the wolf. That's so cute. The world is your oyster. I don't like oysters. They're gross. And then candles. Did I only get 1 butterfly? No, there's the second butterfly. I don't know why I was holding it. Who knows? Who knows why I do what I do? So, I don't even know why I do what I do. How is this going to open? It's going to open like this. And you're going to have all the dies. I try not to lose the dies every time I do this video. So, what does this say? This says, I am Job. No, it says, oh, I think it's supposed to say boy, right? Because I was, oh no, it's day. Okay, it's day. Okay. So, I'm just making myself laugh. Am I the only one laughing at myself? That's pretty typical. Oh, look, I think it's supposed to say, it's your day. It's your day. Yes. There you go. It's your day. I did it. And there's the wing, which will go maybe like that. Because that way, yeah, that way I would be impaled. Oh, look, I'm impaled. Okay, all right, maybe I should go go eat or something, because I'm a weirdo. All right, guys, I think that was it. Yeah, I'm waiting for my, I guess it ships separately, my small die of the month. And I want to see that. I didn't even see a sneak of that one either. So this is everything. $35, you guys. And you get all of this for $35. I'm happy. I'm still happy, guys. I'm still trucking along. I'm still very impressed. All right, guys. Take care. I will talk to you all next month. Or no, actually, well, I'll be back for the small die. But for the main card kit, I'll see you guys all next month. Bye.